Inside a snowstorm, the science and beauty of nature's frozen fury. Imagine a peaceful winter day, where snowflakes gently drift down from the sky, covering the world in a blanket of white. It's beautiful, serene, and quiet. Until, suddenly, the winds pick up, the temperature drops, and a snowstorm begins to brew. But what's really happening inside a snowstorm? Let's find out. A snowstorm is more than just snow falling from the sky. It's a complex weather event that involves three key ingredients: snow, strong winds, and cold temperatures. When these ingredients come together, they create what we call a snowstorm. The snowflakes themselves form when cold air in the clouds causes water vapor to freeze into tiny ice crystals. These crystals join together to create snowflakes, which fall to the ground. But it's not just the snow that makes a storm dangerous, it's the wind. Wind is what turns a mild snowfall into a full-blown snowstorm. When winds are strong, they blow the snow around, reducing visibility and making it harder to see where you're going. Snowstorms can range from light flurries with mild winds to intense blizzards with gusts so strong, they can knock you off your feet. As the snow and wind combine, a whiteout can occur, where the landscape becomes one giant blur of white. Another key factor in a snowstorm is the temperature. For a snowstorm to form, the temperature needs to be below freezing, usually around 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, or lower. As the temperature drops, the snowflakes become lighter and fluffier. But temperatures can also affect how much snow actually falls. When it's extremely cold, snowflakes tend to be smaller and lighter, while warmer temperatures, still below freezing, create larger, heavier snowflakes. That's why some snowstorms can feel soft and powdery, while others feel heavy and wet. So how do these elements come together to form a snowstorm? It starts in the clouds. As moist air rises, it cools and condenses into water droplets or ice crystals. When the air temperature drops low enough, these crystals freeze into snowflakes. Once the snowflakes fall, the wind kicks in. In the right conditions, when a low-pressure system pulls moist air from a nearby warm region and a cold front is pushing in, the snowflakes are carried by powerful winds, creating the swirling snowstorm we recognize. Not all snowstorms are created equal. Some are mild, while others, called blizzards, are much more intense and dangerous. A blizzard is defined by three things: strong winds of at least 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, heavy snow, and visibility reduced to less than a quarter mile. In a blizzard, the combination of snow, wind, and cold can cause real problems. Roads become impassable, power lines are knocked down, and travel becomes dangerous or even impossible. These storms can last for hours or even days, leaving behind a trail of destruction and massive snowdrifts. Snowstorms have a powerful impact on nature and human life. In the wild, animals struggle to find food and shelter in deep snow. For people, snowstorms can cause everything from transportation disruptions to school and business closures. Blizzards can also cause power outages, as snow and ice accumulate on power lines and trees. In extreme cases, snowstorms can even be life-threatening, especially for those caught outside or in vulnerable buildings. But let's not forget the beauty of a snowstorm. As intense as they can be, snowstorms also transform the world around us into something magical. The silence that follows a heavy snowfall, the way snow-covered trees glisten in the light, and the sheer wonder of watching a flurry of snowstorms have the power to remind us of the raw beauty of nature. After the storm, the world often feels still and peaceful, as if the snow has wiped the slate clean. So, next time a snowstorm rolls in, remember, it's not just a flurry of snowflakes. It's the result of a delicate balance of temperature, wind, and moisture working together. And while snowstorms can be dangerous, they're also a testament to the incredible forces of nature at work. Whether you're watching the storm from the warmth of your home or braving the elements outside, snowstorms are a reminder of the beauty and power of our natural world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of snowstorms, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool, snowy content. Stay safe out there, and keep warm this winter.